Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you're actually in my living room right now because it's still pretty cold, still winter, and I don't want to be in the garage. I got this package in the mail today from Amazon, and it was just delivered today, and started opening it up, and I said, okay, you know what? I should make a unboxing video for you guys and show you what I actually got. So what I actually bought is a FUJI Spray turbine spray system, and what I'm going to be doing is using this to paint the car. I know what you guys are thinking. It's not the same conventional like compressed air spraying system, but the turbine spray system is actually not bad. People have done a lot of reviews on it and it actually does provide very good results and without the need for a air compressor. I don't have the space for a large air compressor, nor do I want to, rewire my house for, running the big air compressor. So this system is actually perfect for it. It's small and it's portable, and I can actually take it around and do whatever I need to do anywhere. So today we're just going to unbox this and I'll show you what I got. Alright, so let's just get to the unboxing. So it actually comes in 2 boxes, it looks like. So I'm assuming that's the gun. And this box here looks like it's the turbine. And it comes with the hose. And I guess a piece of paper. I don't think I see anything else in the box aside from this cardboard that was on the bottom. So let's move that aside. So it says, check the following items. The turbine, hose, spray gun with cup, user manual, wrench, viscosity cup, and cleaning brush. So let's make sure we got everything. So here we got the hose. Let's just open these up. Got power cable, this looks like the gun holder. Oh shoot. And here's the turbine. That's pretty cool. And it came with some, I guess, some screws. Huh. I don't know why the screws are in a separate little baggie here. Nope, nothing else. This is just another box. Ooh, getting styrofoam in here. Okay, that's the gun. Guess this is the viscosity cup. A bunch of manuals and cards from FUJI Spray. Alright, that's an empty box. Lots of pieces of styrofoam everywhere. Got a vacuum afterwards, but looks like this is the system here. Here's the turbine, that's the hose. Let's open up the packaging for the gun and take a look at this thing. It looks pretty cool. I didn't even open this. Alright. So here's the cup, spray gun, and I guess this hose attaches in here when to I guess compress the air into here, pushing the air into the cup to spray. So actually, the construction is actually really nice. It's a nice metal finish. It's quite heavy. It's aluminum cup and all. So this actually feels really good. It is really heavy. I'm not used to actually a spray gun. To be honest, I've never sprayed a car before, nor have I sprayed anything else aside from using spray cans. So having this kind of gun is kind of new for me. So I did read that people should practice with it, you know, because it's heavy and it's a little tough to get used to, especially since having your arm up the whole time spraying. So it's pretty nice, as you can see. Okay, set that aside. So we've got the turbine, we've got the hose, we've got the spray gun, we've got the user manuals here. There's a wrench inside the user manual and a cleaning brush. And here's the viscosity cup. So we do have everything. Let's just open this up now. Just tape. And wow, this thing's pretty heavy. It's not like super heavy, but it's pretty nice. Looks very nice finish on it. So here's the switch for it. There's I guess a breaker here. Power cord goes here. Super nice, very nice. I really like the construction. It's all metal. This is, I guess, where you attach your gun holder. So this actually just supposed to go in here, and then your gun will hold up on here. We'll probably put that together in a bit. The hose, I'm probably not going to unwrap the hose. I'm not actually going to be spraying anytime soon. So what I'm going to be doing is just leave it wrapped up. The last thing I want is for this thing to be all unraveled and, you know, all over the place. But it looks like you basically attach this end to here. This side actually is your airline area, so you actually can control the amount of air going to your gun from here. They usually leave it wide open, so you only have to adjust it when you want to adjust the atomization and all that kind of stuff. So I'm probably just going to leave it wide open as recommended by a lot of you know, forums and stuff online. So pretty nice. But yeah, that's basically it. And then you get your user manual and a little cleaning brush in here. And you get your wrench. The wrench is basically for your gun. There's the fluid cap and all that kind of stuff in here, and this helps take everything apart, I guess. I guess for cleaning purposes. But overall, my first impression of this machine, oh, it's pretty cool. Like, it's very nice, very well constructed. It's not cheap, but it's actually one of the more affordable turbine systems. So if you guys don't know what a turbine system is, it's basically just like a motor in here running and pushing air out, essentially. Versus, you know, having a compressed air tank where you use compressed air into a gun, which causes, like, I guess, moisture and all that kind of stuff. This kind of system actually won't feed moisture into your line. It actually pushes out hot air. As you can see, it actually says hot around here. It actually pushes out hot air. And you could basically take this anywhere. People use it for spraying houses and all that stuff. In the manual, it does state that it's fine for automotive applications. The only thing that it recommends is maybe changing the tip to a different tip when you're spraying different types of finishes. For example, clear coat, I think they recommended a 1mm tip. Right now, the stock tip on here is a 1.3, which is fine for base coat. And I think it's fine for clear coat as well. It's kind of misleading because in the manual, it does talk about using a 1mm tip, but it also says the 1.3mm tip for urethane paints is completely fine. So, yeah, who knows? But let's just set this, let's see what kind of instructions are in here. Oh, that's really weird. So, I guess it came with 2 sets of black screws. I don't know what these are for. So it goes on basically like this. Let's just read the instructions. Alright, so basically it just says the 2 machine screws, I guess the black screws, because these are the ones that came with it, and washers. to the top, and then there is a silver washer and screw that goes to the side. Okay, I see it. So I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and just screw this up. So the gun holder is installed. So essentially how that gun holder works is cover it on there. And that's how it looks like, all installed. Looks pretty cool, I would say. So that's the hose. Very nice construction hose. Power cord. Here is the semi-pro. Very nice finish. Clean. Here's the gun. And that's basically it. Anyways, guys, that's basically it. That's my little small unboxing and little minor review of the Semi-Pro 2 by FUJI Spray. I'll probably do a more in-depth review of it later when I actually start painting the car with it. But for now, this is how it looks like, and everything I'm pretty happy with it. It looks really nice, very good construction. Here's where like the filters are, and it seems like it will do the job. So let's see how it goes when I do actually end up painting the car. But basically a early Christmas gift to myself. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, please comment, like, and subscribe. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.